Hey, I'm Madison, an agent here at 321 Naomi, and today I get to interview my husband, Michael. He is a CPA at JV Accounting and Tax. I'm super lucky to have him as my accountant and husband. We asked agents to submit questions that they had about taxes and whether it's for their business or for their clients. I just wanted to ask you some of those questions. But first, do you want to tell us a bit about yourself?
My name's Michael Rowell. I'm a CPA. I've been doing taxes for 11 years. I specialize in small businesses and freelance workers, real estate agents, salesmen. I have a little bit of experience there.
Awesome. One of the questions that we got asked was, why is it important to set up our business as an LLC?
It's a bit of a loaded question because an LLC can be taxed a lot of different ways. LLC is your legal structure. For a tax perspective, an LLC can actually be taxed as a sole proprietorship, a partnership, a small corporation. There's a lot of flexibility there, but it is important because it can give you some liability protection as well as some tax savings, some tax advantages. Just by having the right structure, you can reduce your self-employment taxes, minimize some of those extra taxes that we just don't want to see.
As an agent, is it important to get set up as an LLC early on in your career, or can you hold that off until you dip your toes in? What's the best time to get that set up?
I like setting them up early. We might set it up as like a single member LLC. It's very, very simple. It's the same as if you don't have an LLC right off the bat, but it does give you that liability protection. And later, once we can get some of those tax advantages, as you're earning some money, we might convert that, make an election to be taxed as an S corporation, or add a spouse on as a partner.
Okay, so you do it as a single member because it's just simple.
Yeah, it keeps your management costs low because then you can just report it right on your personal taxes. But as your income goes up, your self-employment taxes start to go up. That's when you want to make that change.
Do I need a CPA to set that up? Someone that already has an accountant that's not a CPA, would they need to switch to a CPA to set that up?
A lot of times you can actually do it yourself if you know what you're doing. If you're doing a partnership, though, I would recommend working with an attorney, getting a good operating agreement in place. If it's just you, then maybe just set up your own single member LLC or consult with an accountant. Maybe you've got a family friend. Just ask some questions. Most people have some business connection that can kind of guide you a little bit there.